Can you just smell it again?
Hi, my name's Vicky and I'm a certified forest therapy guide with the Association for Nature and Forest Therapy Guides and Programs in the States. This is a very beautiful, gentle, mindful practice that helps us to slow down and reconnect with something that we've almost forgotten we're a part of, which is nature. So I just invite you to take a moment or two out of your day and find a place where you can go and sit and just slow yourself down and be present and notice what's going on around you. You may like to do this by closing your eyes for a moment and taking a deep breath. And notice any sensations you can feel in your body and just acknowledge that they're there. Perhaps there's a slight breeze that you feel on your skin. Maybe it's the warm sun. Notice the difference between your bare skin and the parts of your body where you've got clothes. And just find something that's pleasurable for a moment and focus on that. And when you're ready, start to notice what you can hear. What sounds are going on around you in this moment. Take a moment to notice what you can smell. What's wafting in on the breeze today? What sensations can you feel through your nose and mouth? And then with your eyes still closed, hold your hands out with your palms facing forwards. And slowly move yourself in a direction that's calling to you. And stay there for a minute or two with your eyes closed. What is it about this place that's making you want to hold your hands out here? And when you're ready, open your eyes, but do it really slowly, as if you're the sun rising on a new day. And take a moment to look around, all around, of these other beings that are surrounding you. And just take a moment to acknowledge their presence with gratitude. And just notice everything that's around. Maybe touch the ground, and what can you see underneath your fingers? What little treasures are hiding there? Is there anything moving? What else are you noticing? Maybe there's some birds fluttering around in the distance. Maybe there's leaves dropping down in front of you on the wind. Or maybe there's a sound that's taking your attention. Just fully embrace all that you are sensing. Then hold that with you and take it with you for the rest of your day.